Today is February 2nd, so it's the first Tuesday of the month. Y'all, I just wanted to show y'all this snow that we have right now. It is crazy in Philly right now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I go outside, this will be up to like my shin. Yeah, y'all, so that's what it looks like right now in Philly on February 2nd, the first Tuesday of the month. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here because I felt like I haven't vlogged in a while. A lot has happened since my Girl Dad series. So I started a new job, which I'm really excited about. I'm liking it so far, and yeah, that's my calendar notification now. With my new job, I'm really trying to rework my YouTube schedule, which has been pretty difficult, but what I need is a mentor. Ever since my mentor died almost a year and a half ago, rest in peace, Miss Guest. Ever since she passed away, I really haven't had anyone to talk to regarding like career, business, different ventures I want to get out into. So, you know that saying, like, sometimes the missing piece is like a mentor or like a plug or somebody that you can talk to who's already at where you want to be. That's where I am right now, on the hunt for a business mentor. So someone who has done YouTube, has been successful at YouTube, and who is also in other ventures that I'm interested in. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here and talk to you guys. My hair is a little different than my twist, but I wanted to switch it up just a bit. I know it was different from my twist. I want to switch it up a bit. Hey. Kind of like an egg, but whatever. I'm a cute egg. Yeah, I just wanted to get on here and talk to you guys. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are safe. All that good stuff. So my dad, he usually gets me and my sister something for Valentine's Day, and he sent these beautiful, beautiful flowers. It's so pretty. Oh, and he left me a message. Daddy, love you, daughter. My dad is so awesome. Yeah, and it has this Happy Valentine's Day balloon. Yeah, thanks, Dad. I love you. Love you very much. This arrangement of flowers is so beautiful. So today is February 14th. It is Valentine's Day, and I just finished filming a video. By the time this vlog goes up, you guys would have already seen that. Y'all let me know down in the comments how you like it. So yeah, just finished filming that, and I immediately took off like my earrings and my necklace and the jacket that I had on. That's why I look a little bare bones, if you will. So it is 6:15 as of right now, so I'm about to edit. Well, first I'm gonna give me something to eat. So I'm just gonna have leftover salmon, sweet potato, and broccoli. And from there I'll edit, and yeah, that's the only thing I have planned for this good Sunday evening. I hope everyone had a great Valentine's Day with your loved ones and being around people who love you and that you love them. So hey guys, what's going on? So I actually just finished filming Wednesday's video, so by the time this vlog goes up, you guys would have already seen that video. Just wanted to get on camera and talk to you guys and vlog. Yeah, I hope you guys have had a wonderful week, because like I said, by the time this vlog goes up, it will be on Sunday. Excuse me. So hopefully you guys have had a wonderful week. I'm trying to see what I'm going to do for the weekend. I'm trying to debate if I want to go get knotless braids, or if I just want to do my regular twist that I do on myself. But if I do, I'm going to try this new method where they're going to be a little bit smaller and they're going to be a little bit shorter. So whatever I do, it's going into a protective style, because this Philadelphia weather, it has no regard, or it's disrespectful. The fact that it's like 19 degrees and it feels like 5, disrespectful. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling now, and yeah, fix me a nice snack, get to editing, and yeah. Hey y'all, So today is February 19th and I'm just about to go run some errands, but I am pretty sure that my car is covered. We're gonna see how covered my car is. And also too, while I'm talking about snow, anyone, or if you know anyone who lives in the state of Texas, please reach out to them because millions of people are without power and without water. So please, please, please keep those who are affected in your prayers. Hopefully soon things will get better and everybody will have all the necessities that they need, because I cannot imagine like losing my home. Like there are just so many stories that I've seen and like so much stuff happening that yes, please keep those that are in Texas in your prayers. But we're gonna see how covered my car is right now. Lego. All right, y'all, so this is what she's looking like. And yeah, so I'm gonna get to shoveling so I can actually go somewhere. I'll see you guys in a bit. My hands are cold. I forgot my gloves. I am tired. I still kind of want to go back in, but we'll see. I'm gonna try to reverse and see if I got it all, but put it in snow. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna see if it works. All right, perfect. All right, so my battery's dying, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey y'all, I just wanted to finish out this week's vlog. I'm not showing myself because I just woke up, but it's 7:42. I've actually been up since 6:35. I made me some morning tea. So I'm about to finish editing this vlog, but like I said, I just wanted to close it out. It does end abruptly, but hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video.